Hi students, if you're preparing for KCET 2025, then this video is your ultimate guide. From exam dates, timings and hall ticket instructions to last minute tips, do's and don'ts and high weightage topics, we have got you covered. So let's get started. Time to look at the KCET 2025 exam dates and timings. The Karnataka Examination Authority will be conducting KCET on April 16th and 17th. The exam will be held in two shifts, forenoon and afternoon. Have a look at the schedule display. Make sure to reach the examination center as per the shift mentioned in your admit card. Latecomers or those showing up at the wrong slot will not be allowed to enter. Alright folks, so now that you have come so far, let's make sure that your exam day goes smoothly. After all that effort, the last thing you need is stress over missing papers or dress code issues. So first up, documents. On the day of the exam, you must carry your KCET Hall Ticket 2025. No admit card, no entry. Along with that, take a valid photo ID proof. This can be your Aadhaar card, PAN card, passport or voter ID. Just make sure the photo is clear and the details match. Now let's talk about the dress code. KCET has no strict dress uniform, but there are some guidelines. So here's what you need to keep in mind. Wear simple and comfortable clothes. Avoid anything with big logos, slogans or any metallic decorations like studs or zippers. Avoid heavy jewelry or hair accessories that could cause issues during frisking. And no caps, no hoodies, no sunglasses. About the stationery, bring your own pens, preferably black or blue. Pencils, erasers, sharpeners or everything that you will be needing. Sharing stuff can get you disqualified. So, double check your exam pouch the night before. Let's quickly run through some crucial do's and don'ts to help you stay sharp and focused during the examination. Here's what you should do. Manage your time well, read the questions carefully, stay calm and composed. Now what not to do? Do not waste your time on wild guesses. KCET has no negative marking, but guessing blindly can eat up time unnecessarily. Don't get stuck on one tough question. Skip it, solve others, then come back if the time allows. No electronic items are allowed inside the center. That means no mobile phones, smartwatches, Bluetooth devices or calculators unless specified. So basically, keep it simple, follow the rules and focus on giving your best. Let's wrap it up with some quick revision hacks to make your prep more efficient in the final few days. Use short notes or flashcards. They are perfect for those last minute formula, chemical reactions or concept definitions. If you are a visual learner, go for diagrams, mind maps or flowcharts, especially for physics and chemistry. And if you are someone who learns better in groups, do quick group discussions or Q&A sessions with friends or family. Explaining a topic out loud helps you remember better. Let's wrap it up with some quick revision hacks to make your prep more efficient in the final few days. Use short notes or flashcards. They are perfect for those last minute formula, chemical reactions. As the exam inches closer, here's a last minute game plan to make every hour count. Stick to your strengths, revise the subjects or chapters you're confident in. This gives you a boost and ensures you're scoring well in the areas you know best. Take at least 4 to 5 mock tests under the real-time conditions. It trains your brain to stay alert for that 90-minute window and helps with speed and accuracy. Go back to your previous mock tests and revise your mistakes. Understand what went wrong and don't let it happen again during the actual exam. And please don't pull all-nighters. Prioritize good sleep and balanced meals. With a relaxed mindset, you can perform well. Remember, this is the final stretch. You've already come so far. So now it's all about staying smart, focused and trusting your preparation. That's it for today guys. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such informative videos. Drop your questions in the comment section and we'll help you out. Good luck for your KCET. See you in the next video.